How's it going, everyone? This is Mike Sleeter. We're out here with Upshift Online to give you a little insight in this awesome FE250 build we made for Mark Blanchard, a friend of mine. We started off with a full production 2018 Husqvarna FE250, and his main goal with this bike was really just to get rid of the blinkers and have a great bike he could ride in Big Bear, go on the fire roads, and have some fun when he's at a family vacation. But we kind of took it a step farther than that. As you can see, we reached out to Eduardo at Three Brothers Racing, and he got us a new sick-ass blinkers and taillight section. And with Mark Blanchard being one of the innovators in this industry at 100%, we leaned on some industry people like FMF to get him involved, and they supplied us an awesome FMF slip-on muffler. And like I said, keeping it simple, we left the stainless steel header. The guys at Henson gave us a new Henson cover for that to keep it a little shinier. We stayed with the existing stock Pro Taper handlebars. The bend was he really liked that bend. The guys at Decor did up a really nice set of graphics for that. Mark's friend Jerome, who helps him with design, designed these especially for him. Works Connection added a lot of nice little blue anodized bits. Oil plug, steering stem nut. Just real subtle. I mean, we're really happy how this bike turned out. Super sprockets put a nice little touch with the 45 tooth rear sprocket. All in all, we're really happy with how this bike is. It's a little trail weapon meant for fire road riding, tight single track, and just for Mark to have a good time. You know, if he wants to get gnarly, we put that Cypress skid plate on that so he could do some log hopping or whatever he wants to do. But as you can tell by the fun we're going to have in this grass field, we're really excited to give Mark this bike. So Mark's being about 180 pounds, 6 foot tall. I felt that we could dial on this bike a little more with him, and we had Factory Connection go through this thing, set it, put the right spring rates in it for him, valve it, and get it a little more subtle for those fire roads. With all that washboard that he's going to probably ride on, he's not looking to go to the motocross track, so just mainly dialing the bike in with Factory Connection so that his type of riding was just dialed in completely for him. So this bike and stock trim comes with more of a road tire, so we went with the Dunlop AT81. This tire is a lot better for the type of riding Mark's going to do. He's going to do some more fire road, dirt riding, so we went with the Dunlop AT81 on that tire. With the tight single track, the bike can build a lot of heat, so CV4 supplied us with a high pressure cap to just keep that pressure down so he doesn't overheat on those tight trails. You don't need that 501 power always. This little weapon of the Husqvarna FE250 will really, it's a great bike all in all for every rider, and we can't wait for Mark Blanchard to get up into Big Bear and ride his local trails at his vacation home.